Hi and welcome to Arlo Plumbing and Heating. Today we're going to tell you the key benefits of having a magnetic filter fitted to your system. So here we have a Magnaclean, and the idea of it is it has a metal rod surrounded by a plastic sleeve that sits in a swill chamber. Screws on top like so. So the heating water comes in and goes out. Ideally, we like to fit these on the return pipe work going back to the boiler. You're better to have one on the system than not, so it's not always possible to put it onto the return pipe work. Now, there are other manufacturers that supply these. The boiler manufacturers would always recommend that one of these are fitted, even offering longer warranties if they're fitted. They will supply their own type of magnetic filters. They don't all look exactly like this. They have the same principle. So, key benefits of having one of these fitted will be, the main one is it's cost saving on your heating bill and life and efficiency of the heating system over the course of the new boiler that is potentially fitted, or an upgrade of the system. So for further blogs, if you look out for our Magnacleans, where we'll do a Magnaclean flush and we clean every radiator individually, and obviously if you want one of these fitted or Magnacleans carried out, then please contact us on our website or on our phone numbers on the website. Thank you.